Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to head torque, okay, this YFZ450. If you need the torque specs for the head, for the bolts and the sequence, we'll share that with you today, guys. So first thing what we will need to do, guys, you gotta make sure that you have your timing chain guide before you put the head and get it tight, otherwise you won't be able to. Make sure you don't drop the chain inside as well, because that will be something that will take you quite a bit of time to pull it out, or you have to remove the head again. So we will need a 14mm, and we're gonna start on the right bolt, okay, right here, from the timing chain, the very right bolt first. We'll set the torque wrench, okay, at 22 foot per pound, 22. Okay, that's according to the manual that we found and all the forums that we found the information. Okay, so we're still working on it. Okay, that's it, right there. Next we need to go to this bolt right there, diagonal of this one. Okay, that's it. Next, this one, you can hear the wrench clicking. When it clicks, you need to stop. Okay, this one is not stopping yet. Okay, that's it. And the last one there. And this is not it, guys. There is a few more steps that we need to do after this one, so stay with us. This one specifically is a 2005 model. Now we are going to loosen all of them all the way, get them loose. Okay, and the same sequence that we did earlier. Okay, this one is loose now. Okay, this one here as well. And the last one there. And then we need to do something different. Okay, we need to set the torque wrench for the next step. Okay, will be 14 foot per pound. Okay, so we need to go to the 14 now. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is there, right there, 14. Okay, so now we need to do the same sequence again. Okay, that's it. It stopped. And that's fine. That's normal. You'll see why next. Okay, okay. Next, after that, we're going to go 90 degrees on all of them. That's the first step after that, and we have more to do after that. Then we need to go 90 degrees on each one of them. Okay, so let's see if we can push it a little bit. Okay, so it needs to come up to there now, 90 degrees. Okay, that's it, right there. Then this one, 90 degrees as well. Okay, that's good. This one, and then the last one. Once you're done with this step, we need to go extra 90 degrees again. One more time, 90 degrees on each one of them. Okay, and this one will not be easy now. Okay, 90. You have to have somebody holding the motor as well. Okay, 2 more to go. Okay, and the last one there now. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's the whole procedure to have the head torqued. Don't forget to install the T nuts on the bottom. We don't have the torque specs for those, but usually we don't go too much on those. So that will be all. Thank you guys for watching. And So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.